Did you get it?
No, it's in here in the foyer.
Get it, get it. Ah! Yeah, it's right there. He went back in the dining room. Don't break Emily's picture either. It's behind. It went behind you. It's behind you. Don't break anything. It's behind you. It's behind the thing. Oh God, the dog's getting crazy. You almost got it. Don't break the china cabinet.
Where is it?
It went behind the door. Oh, sheesh, Ryan. It went behind the chair.
Ah! Where are you going? Oh God, it's under there!
No! It's right there! Ah! Where'd it go, Ryan? Get it! Please! Ryan!
Ah! It's behind the freaking door!
I am crying!
Okay, get up.
Where is it? Ah! Ryan, please! Ryan, oh my God, it's so weird. The door just closed by itself. Okay, I'm gonna open the door. You got it?
Oh,
Get the door.
it's in the freaking corner.
You can do this.
Are you filming this?
I am, because we're gonna look back at this and laugh. Now, if the bird flies towards me, I'm out of here.
God, don't go over there!
What?
Oh, he went by the stairs!
What?
He's in the other room!
What room? Well, maybe that's good. Can you open the window in there?
I got it trapped.
Okay, good, good. Oh my God, Ryan. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's under there. You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it. Get that bird out of here.